Hey I want to learn something new about volcanoes.
What makes volcanoes explode? Volcanoes are mountains that can erupt with fire and lava from inside the earth. Some are quiet, and others are very powerful. The word erupt means to explode and send out lava, ash, or gas. Volcanoes erupt when pressure builds up under the Earth's surface. Lava is hot melted rock that flows from a volcano. The word lava means melted rock that flows from a volcano. Some volcanoes are under the ocean and create new islands. Ash from volcanoes can fly high into the sky and fall like snow. Volcano scientists are called volcanologists. The word volcanologists means scientists who study volcanoes. Search online for more interesting facts about volcanoes. Let's learn something new.